we're seeing here at this house is heavy rat activity, borderline infestation, starting here in the laundry room. This is a good example of the damage rats can do. Rats have chewed into this dryer vent area. You can see what they've left behind as far as the droppings are considered. But as you look to see where the source is a little more, we can tell they're going into the wall here, and that spot back there leads from the crawl space. So the issue started with rats being able to enter the crawl space, then make it through this plumbing gap here. This sends them into the house and up to the kitchen area. Then this line sends them out into the garage. So this was the epicenter of travel for all these rodents, and why our client gave us a call when they started seeing rats up above in the kitchen. You can tell here's our crawl space area. The rats have made it into the crawl space through broken vents, as well as the AC line here is wide open. Then they were able to make it down into this corner and out into this laundry area and up into the house. That's one route. The other route, as you can see, all the plumbing underneath here leads up into that kitchen area where the plumbing gaps are large. So we've already taken care of doing the exclusion work and trap setting up in the common areas. Now we're down here to get this cleaned up, sanitized, disinfected, sealed up, traps placed, and the exterior excluded. Then we'll be following up to make sure we got the job done right.